Dear friends, I am Dr. Jayant Kumar Gupta, Director and Head of the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology at Apollo Gleneagles Hospital. I wish you all good health, even in this time of COVID pandemic. Stay safe. Stay inside your house. Do not go unnecessarily outside. Maintain social distancing and hand washing. In good times and bad times, Apollo has and will be your best health partner. Please remember, your safety is our prime concern. We continue to provide all obstetric and gynecological services, including emergency services for pregnant women. Every precaution has been taken to avoid COVID contamination to patients and to our staff and nurses. If you need care, come to our department without any hesitation or any panic. Please remember, we are always there to help you and help you with health. Hospitals do not spread sickness. They actually make sick people well and healthy.
During this ongoing pandemic situation of COVID-19, I have received all good treatments. My CTG, my USG scans were done by Apollo hospitals, and I received very good treatment in this situation. Thank you to all the doctors and all the staffs. Thank you so much.
It's been over 2 months since the start of the pandemic, and even chronic diseases can't wait any longer. Hence, we have resumed our new normal OPD services. What do we mean by new normal? You can consult all of us by virtual consultation through the Apollo 247 app, through which we can screen who needs to come to the outpatient department. Those of you who need to come to the outpatient department, it needs to be strictly by appointment so that we can avoid overcrowding and maintain social distancing. The outpatient clinics are being sanitized at regular intervals to keep you safe, and hence we would request you to stick to an appointment schedule and, as far as possible, use remote consultation.
We are providing care to all pregnant mothers and their unborn child. The routine ultrasonographies that are done in a normal pregnancy are being scheduled in a prioritization manner, where the most important scans are being routinely done 4 days a week. We are also providing fetal echocardiography services, and they can be coming in small numbers with appointments given at half hour to 1 hour interval so that there is social distancing. We have also made sure that the waiting area is never crowded, and all women are screened at the gate by thermal gun and sometimes with a pulse oximeter.
All patients who are getting admitted to this hospital for any surgical procedures are being screened for COVID-19 by using the hospital protocols. This is basically to safeguard the interests of the patients as well as to protect our healthcare workers, and this is a very important thing for continuity of the care. As well as the patients who come for all types of surgeries are being routinely followed up. Even during the height of the lockdown, we have performed emergency surgeries, we have performed cesarean sections as well as laparoscopic ectopic surgeries. In our hospital, we have a restrictive policy of use of general anesthesia for any surgical procedures. And in laparoscopic surgeries, we know that there are certain precautions which has to be taken, and we are following the guidelines accordingly.